How to log in into your account on Scout. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on Scout application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log in into your Scout application, first of all, open the Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you can see this option for login. Just simply tap on login. As soon as you click on login, you need to write down your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Scout application, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you create your account, now just simply tap on login with Google. As soon as you click on login with Google, your account will be instantly logged in on Scout application. So as you guys can see, we have been logged in into this account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.